Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Does it ever happen to you that the transition in weather motivates you to bring some changes in your decor too? I'm sure few changes here and there is always a good option to make our home bright and cheery. So in today's video, you are going to see that little change which I did in my living room for welcoming spring in our home. So without further delay, let's start our today's video. So the first thing which I did was made this DIY planter for my Areca palm. This is super quick idea. All I did is wrapped my table runner around it and secured it with these clips which usually comes with shirts packaging. I did not use any glue gun or adhesive, as with this trick I can reuse this runner in different ways as and when required. Now the second thing which I have done is refreshed this wall with all my DIY paintings. So here these three Madhubani and this Varli art are painted by me. They were hanging at different places of my home, but this time I just wanted to display Indian folk art together. So I brought them here on this wall. And this Varli art, I made it few years ago on this red chart sheet with this thought that I will make two such rectangular Varli paintings, but then didn't find time to make the second one, and hence this one also yet not framed. But as this sheet was cut like this way, so the idea clicked to me to convert it into a wall hanging, and I am so liking it here this way. Do let me know your views too in the comment section. I would love to know. Do let me know how do you like it. Now for this fifth frame, I have cut this swastik from an envelope and placed it in this frame. And again, quick and easy idea to refresh existing frames with things lying around in our home, isn't it? Also hung here this bells just to add little drama to the gallery wall. On floor placed this sofa chair to enjoy some me time in this freshly created nook to embrace the change in weather with fresh flowers aside and my green plants to accompany me. I hope you all liked and find these ideas easy and helpful to bring simple yet impactful changes in your home. I have been posting many decor pics and reels on my Instagram handle richa.sitoke. Do follow me there so that you won't miss any little details or hacks of decorating home in budget. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit a like, comment down below what you liked in the video, and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Do share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.